Hey, welcome back. My sister found this image somewhere online. I don't know where, but I found it very interesting because it identifies where the winds were the worst. And I'm in Newland, which is in the top part of the screen, and that indicates, if you look down in the bottom right, the legend, the frequency is 70 to 80 miles an hour, pockets of 90-mile-an-hour winds. Those wind speeds may not seem like much to people who go through category 2 and 3s, but for our area, with all of our trees, it was pretty intense. And the purple area has frequencies of 80 to 90 miles an hour, and with pockets of 100-mile-an-hour winds. And that particular area, which is south of where I live, is I think it's Mount Mitchell area, and they got a lot of landslides too, which affected Chimney Rock and a few other places south of it in the yellow areas. But the winds did play a role in this whole hellacious storm. Keep in mind, Mount Mitchell is, I think it's like 6,000 feet high in altitude. So, yeah, it got hammered. But you can read this and get an idea for yourself of just the windstorms if you're kind of into this techno stuff or geeky stuff, which I guess I am on some level. Anyway, I just thought it was interesting and wanted to share it in this quick little video.